I think one thing that we need to like set the tone with is like one of the fundamental values of our relationship is ice cream. It's like the cherry on top of a perfect day for us, so.
Yeah, I think I've written off eating and drinking most of the things that we've lined up for the night, but I think the ice cream truck is the one thing that I will make sure I get some of.
This is the best.
The best thing we did wedding planning was the Ben & Jerry's tasting that we did when we went to the Ben & Jerry's on Newbury.
That was so fun.
It was a beautiful night.
We told them about how we had Ben & Jerry's coming to our wedding, and they were pretty excited for us, let us try basically every flavor.
And they were super patient with us, and then the sky decided to open up on our way home and downpoured, and we were almost washed away in the street, but it was a really good, fun time getting home.
I'm just excited to be standing up there when you walk in with all of our friends and family present, music playing, walking gracefully like you do.
Oh God.
And just looking really pretty and beautiful, and your flowers that you thought a lot about.
Family, friends, welcome. My name is Arjun, and today I'm filled with joy as we have gathered at this beautiful venue, nestled in Vermont's Green Mountains, to celebrate the love of two incredibly special people, Sarah Ann Salzman and Stefan Peter Eckhart.
I didn't think I could like engineer the perfect partner, and so I always assumed I'd have to sacrifice on something, and like, you know, probably a lot of the same boxes that you had around similar interests, similar values, somebody who makes me better. And I always thought I'll never get all of those things, and then met you.
I love how smart and ambitious you are. I love how adventurous and goofy you are. I love how caring and loving you are. You made my days overflow with love, excitement, and fun that made me feel special every day. And as partners, we've prioritized fun, like Arjun mentioned, and adventure above pretty much everything else. For what feels like a very long time now, I've hoped to get to stand up here in front of our friends and family and make it official. And here we are today. And I can't wait to spend my life with you, supporting you, learning from you, playing with you, and loving you.
I love your sense of adventure, your thoughtfulness, and your let's do it attitude. I am an anxious person, but you soothe me. You are so patient with me, whether I'm running late to dinner or hiking up the hill more slowly than you. I'm excited for a lifetime of hiking and skiing adventures, exploring the world, eating good food, and visiting our loved ones. I adore life on the go with you.
We dug up some of the first texts sent to the group from Stefan about Sarah.
Dancing in the sunshine, way back.
The date was March 7th, 2021. After sending us a picture of Sarah's Bumble profile, Stefan wrote, "Holy, ... And then after reviewing her profile on his own, your officiant Arjun Modi says, "Yeah, wow, Sarah, seems like that has potential." Then Stefan responds, "Yeah, Sarah and I have so much in common. That's pretty unreal." Shit.
We all can't wait to read the many more chapters of your lives that you will write together and witness the countless adventures to come. And we'll be cheering you on every step, or should I say, ski run of the way.
I hope we can just keep being silly and open and comfortable with each other. Yeah, I don't want to become like a serious older couple. I want to just stay keeping it young and light.
So you think you'll still call me Poophead?
I'll call you Poophead and Tutor.
Okay. Right back at you.
Dancing in the